Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest SUI price analysis to see if the correction will continue or if a reversal is on the horizon. Let's break it down. SUI has reacted to a key Fibonacci support level, and for those tracking the bullish scenario, yesterday's low could serve as an important reference point. If the price drops below that level, it could invalidate the immediate continuation of an upward move. However, to truly confirm that a significant low has been established, we need to see a clear five-wave move up, and right now, that hasn't happened yet. While some may argue that the price structure already looks like five waves, a deeper look into the microstructures reveals that it doesn't yet meet the criteria. The only way to classify it as five waves would be through a diagonal pattern, where wave 4 overlaps with wave 1. But for that to be valid, the third wave in the pattern would need to be a three-wave move, and what we currently see appears to be a clear five-wave structure instead. In the bullish scenario, this would mean we are in an A wave, which can be a five-wave move, setting up for a larger wave 3. If this plays out, the next key level to watch is $2.52, which is the 100% extension target of the initial A wave. This is a common target for a C wave, but it could go higher. By measuring the length of the A wave and comparing it to the C wave, we get potential targets for the third wave, which should ideally reach the 138% extension, aligning with the 161.8% level as well. If this bullish count is correct, the price should complete a third wave, followed by a fourth and a final fifth wave. The key resistance range for a fifth wave move would be between $2.88 and $2.97. Until we see a completed five-wave move, we cannot confirm that a long-term low has formed. On the downside, if SUI breaks below yesterday's low, it could shift the focus to another downward move. The bulls don't have much room left. If another low happens, the last strong support is at $1.86. A drop below this level would significantly weaken the bullish case. That's the latest update on SUI. If you found this analysis helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more updates. Let us know your favorite cryptocurrencies in the comments, and we might cover them in an upcoming video. See you in the next one.